Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add song to your Facebook profile for a personal touch. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your profile, click on three dots, press on search, click on music, press on plus icon. Now select your song, click on three dots and press on save audio. So this is how to add music to your Facebook profile for a personal touch. That's it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.